Welcome back to AeroScale. Today we are clearing the runway for a true pioneer of the Middle Eastern skies, the Air Arabia Airbus A320. This 1:200 scale model captures the essence of the airline that brought low-cost travel to the region back in 2003. Looking closely at the fuselage, the livery is crisp and clean. The bold red Air Arabia branding stands out perfectly against the white body. Notice the cockpit detailing, the A320's signature window brow. Look is captured with great precision here. One of my favorite parts of this model is the tail. That red bird logo, a stylized seagull, symbolizes freedom and the vast network Air Arabia covers, from its main hub in Sharjah to over 170 destinations across the globe. Under the wings, we see the powerhouse of this short to medium-haul legend. The A320 is famous for its efficiency. Whether it's navigating the busy corridors of the Gulf or flying into Europe, this aircraft is the backbone of the fleet. The model sits on a high-quality chrome stand, giving it that dynamic climb profile. For any aviation collector, the A320 is a must-have. It represents a massive shift in aviation history, making travel accessible for everyone. This has been a look at the Air Arabia A320. Hope you enjoyed this cinematic showcase. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more scale replicas. AeroScale. Cleared for takeoff.